Welcome to this tutorial on paragraph tagging in the Prep Tag Editor. Tagging paragraphs is essential for improving the accessibility and structure of your digital documents. To tag paragraphs in Prep Tag Editor, first, enable Draw mode by clicking the pencil icon in the Prep Tag Editor. Next, click and hold the mouse to draw a box around the paragraph you want to tag. Ensure that the selection accurately surrounds the entire paragraph. Once the paragraph is selected, click the Tag Type drop-down menu and choose the paragraph tag. Alternatively, press X on your keyboard to assign the tag directly for a quicker workflow. Remember to tag each paragraph separately to maintain a well-organized document. By following these steps, you'll create more accessible and well-structured digital documents using the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.